Yes, moving on to health issues now. The Chinese government raked in more than $75 billion from tobacco tax in 2009. That's a jump of more than $8 billion from the year before. It follows an increase in taxes that the authorities had hoped would cut the number of smokers, as well as adding, of course, to the government coffers.
But experts say that though the tax hike may have helped the health of China's economy, it's done little to help the health of the nation's smokers. There's been no marked reduction in cigarette sales. In today's poll position, we look at a poll by news portal Siner.com on this topic. They asked people, do you think increasing tobacco taxes could curb the use of tobacco? 33% said yes to that question, they think it would. 55% said no, and 12% said they're not sure. Siner.com then asked people, what do you think is the best way to discourage smoking? 34% said we should change people's smoking habits. 31% said the system of tobacco sales here should be changed. 24% said taxes should be increased even more. And 11% gave other answers. Now, there have been a number of comments on this poll.
There have indeed. And the first one that's come in is that it says here, tax increases so far have been too little for tobacco companies. In fact, this person says if the tax was increased by 100% or more, that would make a difference. And, of course, it would also increase the government's income. Fair point.
It's an interesting take on things. Another commenter saying, I didn't smoke until I saw people smoking in movies and learned from them. Now I can't stop. I think scenes of people smoking on TV and in films should be banned, this person says. I don't.
I don't either, but I feel sorry for those who do and trying to give it up. The best way to prohibit smoking in all public places, says this person, is to restrict the selling of cigarettes, especially to younger people.
And a final comment from someone saying one of the reasons why cigarettes are selling so well here is that people who buy them are not those who smoke them. Many people buy cigarettes as gifts for their bosses and officials. Slightly different here in China. The more expensive they are, the more sincerity they show, so no matter how high the price, they still buy it. So in some cases, higher cost of cigarettes actually encourages people to buy them because they're seen as a better gift.
But a high cost to your health.
Absolutely.